Hello hopefuls, and thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. I want to share with you a quick and easy Dollar Tree DIY for your door, a door wreath, or a door hugger. So what I will do will put all of the items that you will need for this project down in the description box, and let's get started with this project. So here I have a little hacksaw that I got from Dollar Tree, and also some incense stick holders. I used 2 in this project. And again, check down in the description box for everything else. And what I'm doing here is I'm getting ready to make a cross. So I want to leave the length of one of the incense holder, and then I am cutting one almost just about in half and using the little hacksaw. You will have to use like some elbow strength with this, but it's really, the hacksaw is sharp and it doesn't take that long to saw the end off. So it's up to you. This is kind of be a rusted look if you want it to be jagged. I went ahead and did the other side as well. Now I'm going to take some of these wooden craft words that they have at the Dollar Tree down the craft aisle, and I'm going to use some chalk paint and paint them. I'm using the Waverly Sage chalk paint that's like $1.67, something like that. You can find in the craft aisle. And I didn't end up doing this part. I ended up leaving this off, but I wanted to spell out, you can put Christ, you can put He rose, which I end up wanting to do, or you can either put He has risen, but it was a little bit too many letters to fit on the cross. So I was going to do He rose, but I didn't quite like the look of it. So if you want to do that, that's an option you can do, and just hot glue them to the cross or to the wreath. So now I'm just hot gluing my smaller wooden incense stick to the longer piece, and it looks like a cross. And it really sticks really well with your hot glue gun. You just want to apply pressure and hold in place, but it really sticks really well. Now I'm going to use some of this Floral Picks. I love these flowers. I should have got some more from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just placing it in here to see exactly how I want it to lay in on the wreath and how I want it to look with the cross. So you may just want to do this without hot glue, but I wanted to do it with hot glue, but I played around with it first without the hot glue to see how I want it to look. Now I'm adding hot glue to the stems of the foliage so it can have some type of stability. So if my kids are running through the door, knocking it, or if I decide to put it on a door, someone won't, or the wind won't blow it. So now I decided to add some ribbon. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. This ribbon came from the Dollar Tree that was in my stash. And I'm just going to wrap some of the ribbon around this Willow Wreath to give it some kind of stability, because it is really, the pieces are really straggly and they'll break and they look brittle. So I just wanted to give it some stability by adding some ribbon. I wanted the cross to pop a little bit, so I just took a little bit of the Waverly chalk paint. You can get that from Walmart, and I think this is the ivory color, and I just brushed some strokes on to make it look rustic like. It's up to you if you want to use sandpaper as well. That is a option to do. And remember guys, I did go back and saw the other side of the incense holder because I wanted both of the edges to be rigid. I didn't want it to have that curve at the end. So now I'm going to take some hot glue and I really added it on really thick here, and I placed it in the areas that it was going to stick to the wreath. And I just held it for a couple of minutes to make sure it was really sturdy, really on there really good. Now I'm going to take some of the extra ribbon and I'm just going to loop it through here and then make a bow on the end so it can be like a hanger onto a wreath hanger, a metal wreath hanger that's on the door, or either on a doorknob for a door hugger. Tie a bow here and then finish off your ends with your scissors, and there you have it. You can simply hang this on your door and you have a little year-round wreath or a spring or Easter wreath for the season. So guys, I hope you try this DIY for yourself. It's quick and easy and everything can be found at your local Dollar Tree. You can incorporate those letters in your DIY if you would like to. I just decided that for the look, I just wanted to go without the letters, but you can incorporate that if you would like. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys for always watching, always coming back, supporting, watching me on Instagram, Insta stories, Facebook, just always supporting. Thanks so much, guys. And don't forget, there's always hope. Bye-bye.